My father-in-law love this. We're big Back to the Future fans.
Yeah, time circuits are. It's just daylight. You can't really see much. Start the music again.
From the kiddos.
This is a couple of them tried to climb inside the
Yeah, this is theatrically accurate. This is the exact wire, exact gauge, exact color of clamp.
He even got the hoverboard and the shoes.